On the 7th day of STEADFest, City Steading gave to me
7 3-piece airlocks. That's right, you want to win one of these? Go to the description of this video, there's a link to the contest. If you don't know what this is all about, watch yesterday's video, the 8th day of STEADFest. But I'll just give you a quick little briefing. We created our very own holiday, and for 8 days straight, we're gonna give stuff away. Today, we are giving away to 7 lucky winners a 3-piece airlock. One of them is still in the plastic. That'll be somebody, one of the 7 people. We don't know. You have 5 days to enter from this video's production, and we're going to be making all of the announcements on STEADFest Day, which is December 20th. It also just happens to be Derek's birthday. I think that's it, right?
That's it.
That's all they need to know.
Oh, yes.
You must live in the continental US in order to enter. Well, you can enter even if you don't, but you can't win. We can only ship to continental US. So please and thank you. And I'm sorry if you live someplace that we can't ship this to, but I hope you understand and don't hate us, and please still celebrate STEADFest anyway.